We're Floatation IQ, and we're changing the way you play in the water. Whether you're here, or here, doing this, or this. Our innovative triple-layer foam technology makes floating a whole lot easier. No more inflating or deflating, just lots of this. No matter how you have fun in the sun, Floatation IQ has something to elevate the experience. Make a splash with HydraPong. Relax in the hammock. Keep the libations flowing and floating. With our Libation Flotation Station, we'll get the party started. You keep it going. Floatation IQ. Innovation at play.